Hi traders, Islamic here from Nico's Trading Academy, and welcome in the different video than usual because during the weekend I usually post all results or forecast. This time I just want to share you results with my one-on-one mentorship student. On Friday I received email from him when he said that it's only 1% away from securing an FTMO 100k account, and he also have another account which is only 3% away to reach his goals. And he also sent me his trading journal, which I want to discuss with you and show how what exactly he did. And I hope it will be helpful because many people think that you need to stay in front of the PC all day long or make every day some pips to be profitable in trading and also pass the challenges. But this is not exactly uh, the case because this person trade mainly on the 4-hour chart, daily combinations with the 4-hour chart with the 15-minute entry. So he doesn't spend much time in front of the chart, and after 1 month he could achieve exactly what he explained here. And as you can see, this is his trading journal. This is exactly the same with what I share with you, this one, but of course he modified this to his needs. So we of course together prepared his trading plan, and after that he implemented his trading plan into daily basis. And as you can see, this is like a combination of trading journal together with the statistics, because he also put screenshots of his trade. So very quickly, as you can see, he put all details about the trade, what pair, what the strategy he used, what kind of the risk he used. As you can see, he used a little bit bigger risk, sometimes like 1.5 percent, but basically it's all like a 1%, even on the 15-minute chart. So he has already some experience, so that's why he allowed himself to make 1%. But basically, even if you risk 0.5, it still will be good if you are at the beginning of your trading journal. Yes, you can always increase even to 2% if you are good in your strategy. And then you have charts, screenshots, some comments why he decided to take this trade, because it's very important to understand what is the reason. Yes, what is the reason that I decide to trade this? Is it with my trading plan or this is against my trading plan? He also marked some trade as a aggressive, as you can see. So he just monitor exactly his decision making process, and then at the end you see if the results is a winning or losing. Then you have profits, and his risk, not the risk management, but management is a little bit different because he just try to aim 2 to 1 for each trade. So he doesn't trade like me, that I have first target, second target, and then bonus slot, and try to hold the bonus slot as much as possible. He just try to achieve 2 to 1 and close his trade, as you can see here, 2%, end of the story, and he grabbed the profits. Even if price continues to push up, he still close on the 2%. He doesn't regret that price continue to go up. He just follow his approach and trading plan, and if you start to do it, then you start to see the results. Some trades, of course, as you can see, he managed this a little bit differently because you have some small profits, but everything is explained. Yeah, so as you can see, even if he, let's say here there was no full loss but a smaller loss, he explained what exactly happened, what he did, what was the reason of that. So it's not like a blind trading where most of the traders try to trade. Yes, most of the traders try to get just grab some pips here and there, here and there, and at the end they are still not profitable because they don't know what they do. Okay, also here you see, even if he make mistakes, yes, because it's normal, you need to take responsibility for your actions. And As you can see, he also put just not my just not my strategy. Okay, so he just closes straight on the break even. He didn't wait. He explained that this is aggressive. He makes screenshots of his trade, but then he decided, okay, this was not exactly what my trading plan said. So basically, I want to close the trade. And also, he managed the trades. You see, sometimes he closed trades early, but everything is always explained. Okay, so as long as you really follow your trading plan, your entries are good, and then you make comments why you take the trades, then you take the comments why you exit the trades. In this way, you can narrow perspective in trading, because well, when you trade, market is giving you a lot of different setups everywhere on every single time frame. But the idea of trading plan, trading journal is and the statistics is to just narrow your perception, so you can really follow what exactly you decided to make, based of course on your edge. And as you can see, uh, he mainly he mainly open on the 4 hour chart, some trades on the 15 minute, but it's really easy to follow um, if you follow higher time frames like daily, weekly, and 4 hour chart. Some combinations, daily 1 hour chart, also 4 hour, 15 minute. So he here is also daily chart bounce trade. So as you can see, he trade only mainly on the higher time frames. Even if he takes the 15-minute entry, this is just the entry to execute the trades. Still, he needs to wait for the 4 hour chart to create his approach. So it's much easier to follow. And as you can see, during this is just the monthly results. So he took around how many trades? Around 17 or 18 trades over the 1 month. And as you can see, he is 1% to lock his FTMO account. So as you can see, you don't have to trade every day even to get such results. For example, here you see that he even don't take the trades every day. Yes, sometimes you see 21st and 24th of the February, 26th, 28th. So it's very relaxed way of trading if you follow higher time frames. So you are not stressed. It's not too complicated, because in the higher time frames, you don't have much noise, and it's definitely much easier to follow, and you can still have your results. Okay, I also want to share you some screenshots which he pasted in his trading journal. As you can see, everything is monitored. So here was entry, stop loss, take profit, and he again doesn't care if price continue. He just follow his approach, what is comfortable for him, and that's all. Okay, Aussie Swiss franc, another pair. As you can see, he took this 1 to 3 basic stuff, nothing fancy. Stop loss target, he had to wait for that, but then price hit his target, closed the position, and that's all. Okay, so you see patience. Also, not always we have trades like that you just enter and price immediately. Yes, we love such trades, but not always we will get those. Okay, here Euro CHF, everything seems to be perfect. Trendline breakout, 1 2 3 entry, immediately stopped out. Price even didn't go in his way. He was kicked out immediately, losing trade. What happens? Part of the game. Okay, so you don't cry, yes, if price continues to go up. This is, he follows his trading plan, and the results are still good. So this is the most important part. Yes, here another example. So as you can see, everything is monitored, and in this way you can really narrow your perception, you can narrow your focus. You are not here and there, and what else, you can see if your decision making process is right, and it's much easier to learn um, from your mistakes. Why? Because thanks to this trading journal and this trading plan, you know exactly what you do. You make your comments. So basically, you are not here and there. So it's not anymore like a gambling part. Okay. You can really take conclusions, and thanks to that, you can focus on the good decision making process and remove bad habits. Because otherwise, if you won't make that, it will be very, very difficult to really to really achieve consistent results. Because if you don't know which kind of strategy you use, where you enter, why you enter, what is the reason that you exit, and you don't even know what happens, for example, 2 weeks before with your trades, it's very difficult, especially at the beginning, to move with the whole process in trading to get consistent results and at least get an idea in which direction you want to go. This is I would say like a final step in trading, because most of the people cannot create those journals, and based on that, they cannot build the real statistics because they are here and there. So this is very, very helpful in trading, and very, very important to move forward. Okay, with any strategy which you use, not only with the strategy which I show, but also with your own personal strategy. Okay, so guys, that's all. I hope you enjoy, and maybe you will get a little bit more confidence in your trading about that. You will see also some different perspective, because many people explain that you have to sit every day. You need to make, I don't know, trade 5 6 hours, just make profits here and there in trading. It's not necessary. You really, trading is so huge in the way how you can trade that you really need to um, find your own way. Yes, this person found, because he also had his regular job, so he's not full-time trader here, so that's why he focused on the higher time frames. As you can see, it's also possible. So if you are interested to learn more, you can visit my one-on-one mentorship website, which is you will find a link below this video. When you click, YouTube will redirect you to the website. You have to accept this, so don't worry, it's not the scam. You will be redirected exactly to this website. So if you're interested more in training, and also if you have your own strategy and you struggle with mental part, just leave your name, email, send me the message, and I will get back to you. Of course, I will teach you everything what I know, and which is necessary to achieve long-term success in trading. Below, of course, you will find example of my free trading strategy, which exactly he approached, but a little bit different way, his personal touch. So you can check what exactly I will teach you. And basically, my mentoring is split to three major parts: technical part, planning part, and mindset. In the technical part, we focus, of course, on about the strategy itself, how to enter, how to exit, when we enter, what we are looking for on the charts, how to make top-down approach analysis. So all those details. Then planning part. So we will together prepare trading plan, statistics, and trading journal. So I will help you to find your own way, so you can monitor your progress. And of course, mindset part, which not many people have this, to be honest, but I will exactly teach you how to work with the mindset. I will give you proven technique which I personally use. I'm also certified hypnotherapist and auto hypnosis trainer, but I will not make it in this training. I I found a much easier way to find your root core limiting beliefs. So I will show you how exactly to work with the emotions, how to find your limiting beliefs, how to neutralize them, that you will not be affected by them. What I mean by that, let's say you experience fear to take the trade. Okay, so I will teach you how to, in the very easy way, how to feel less fear and how to basically not fear at all when you start to trade. This is just example. Of course, keep in mind that if you won't feel fear to execute the trades, it doesn't mean that you can risk 10%. Of course, still common sense, but I'm trying to explain you about some limiting beliefs which you might have, which are not causing that you move forward in trading and you are always in the loop. Yes, many people struggle a lot in trading, and they only focus about the strategy. They always think that they need to find something more, new strategy, new indicator, they will be better. But it's not like that, because you still have the same mindset. So every single strategy which you take, you will take with the same mind. So you will never move forward, or this move will be very, very slow. But if you change your mindset, your approach, how you see the things, how you react when you have losing trade, how you react by taking the risk, how you react when you need to have discipline, when you need to learn to be patient to wait for the setups, all those mental aspects, then whatever strategy you take, you will be profitable. Because if you change your mind, you will also change your approach with any strategy which you decide to take. So I will teach you how to deal with that. And this person who came here with this strategy, his main issue was also mind. And after applying all the tools and all the techniques, he started to manage to grow this his account steady on the FTMO, and he started to see completely differently the way how he trade. Okay, so this is a very powerful tool which I have, which not many people have, because most of the people focus on the technical part mainly and the planning part. But this is not exactly the way. If you want to really speed up your curve to be long-term success in trading, this is the way. Okay, this is the way. This is at least how I see this, and I also know it from my own experience, because I was very good at that at some point, very good, but still no consistent results. So the question is why? Then I started to study about the mindset, about the human mindset, and I started, of course, to work with others. That's why I have also one-on-one mentorship, because I can fully care your issues in trading and really help you to overcome all those three parts. Okay, so if you have more questions, of course, you can send me the message here, or you can watch videos where I explain a little bit more. When you, of course, sign up to my one-on-one, you will also get access to the Nikos Training Academy materials, where you first study the strategies, and and then we will continue with one-on-one, so you will have basic knowledge. Anyway, you will also get access to the light trading room. Where I, of course, explain all the trades and all the strategies. Okay, guys, so thanks a lot. Wish you all great Sunday, and of course, we see you soon. Bye.